Learn how to make Korean mushroom side dish. Ingredients: 2 pounds whole white mushrooms, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, a quarter cup olive oil, half a teaspoon Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, a quarter teaspoon ground cumin, a quarter cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, half a teaspoon sriracha sauce, half a teaspoon rice wine vinegar, a quarter teaspoon ground ginger, 2 tablespoons parsley flakes. Instructions: 1. Rinse your mushrooms, then place in a large bowl. 2. Add seasoning with salt and pepper and coat with olive oil. 3. Place them on a baking sheet, paid link, and bake them at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. 4. While they are baking, add your remaining ingredients in a bowl and whisk, paid link, until smooth. 5. Remove your mushrooms from the oven and drain any excess liquid. 6. In a large bowl, toss your mushrooms in the Korean sauce and place back into the oven for another 8 minutes. Allow to cool, then serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.